Hi, welcome to Classy Claws. In today's video, it's a quick video today. I just kind of threw these on quickly when I got in. They are inspired by the amazing Charlotte Pilgrim. I don't have all the nail stuff that she has. I used this white iridescent glitter. I've no idea where it's from. It's just probably eBay. It's just a little pot. But I put that down first, and then I went in with Snow Queen glitter flakes. They are. It's not chunky glitter. It's glitter flakes from CJP. And then I've capped this nail. I've put some angel paper on first, and then I cap it. And it's basically the same set on the rest of the nails. I've used CJP Rosa, which is a cover pink with some gold shimmer in it. Stunning. So I've used that on a couple of the nails. I've done an ombre, a reverse application, and my thumb is the same as my little finger. No filing, because obviously it just takes too long to upload, but I will put on a video of my filing technique on its own, and then I'll also put a video on of some prep. Well, and then I can just keep these design ones like this then, if you know what I mean. And then I might do a bead application again, since I'm getting a little bit better at that. Anyway, I will let you watch. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe if you haven't already. And I'll leave you to watch it. Thanks very much. Take care. And oh yeah, just before I go, on the pointer finger, I kept it. She used lots of different gems on hers. I don't have that many in my collection, but I used some of those opal ones that I got the other day from eBay and just kind of put them on in a random design. But I wouldn't normally put them on after I've top coated either, just so you know. But because it's on Handalina and she's very good with her hand, we don't have a chance of them falling off. So I actually just put them on with gripper glue afterwards. But normally I would glue them on first, and then I would top coat up to the gems, and then they stay on for weeks and weeks and weeks. They do not come off at all. That gripper glue, you have to get some of that, and that's from CJP. That was it. All right, guys, I will see you all again soon for my next one. Have a fabulous weekend, and I will probably look at doing something maybe on Sunday if I'm not too hungover. Having a day out tomorrow in Chester with some workmates, so hopefully, and a beautiful day. No doubt everybody will be at home watching the wedding, so we're hoping the pubs will be quiet. Lol. So I will catch you all Sunday or Monday. All right, take care everybody. Bye. Bye.